Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CRV, that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the heated seats fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses, relays from, that way don't waste your money, why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So, before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem, because in the manual often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means guys. But something else guys, here at the garage we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now another thing guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses guys, but even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here, okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view guys of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. You will guys have multiple fuses for the heated seats in two different fuse boxes. We're going to demonstrate on a 2015 Honda CRV right here. You have two different fuse boxes and we'll be working in both of them today. Today we'll start with the one that's not so convenient. That's where the main fuses are located, and it's on the driver's side under the dash on the left side above the pedals guys. You will see there a fuse box that will look just like this one right here. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. In this fuse box specifically we'll check two fuses and then we'll go to a different one, and which fuses we need to check guys. Okay, let's get it okay here, and let me show you now. The first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 14, that 20 amp fuse right here. Fuse number 14 will need to be checked. Then you will need to guys find another one, and that's fuse number 22 right here, fuse number 22, 7.5 amp. Then you need to go under the hood, and right here, okay, under the hood you have a fuse box. That's the main engine management fuse box. Open that one, you will see that layout. This is the front of the Honda CRV, this is towards the windshield side. Now right here guys, you have that multi-block fuse that consists of 11 individual fuses. That fuse guys, if you remove it, it looks just like this one, okay. And if one of them burns, you have to replace the whole multi-block fuse. That's bad news. Good news, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from at a good price, quick shipping, that way don't waste your money. And here guys, we need to check one fuse specifically, and if you start from the windshield towards the front, you count 1, 2, 3. That fuse right here is the one actually corresponding to the BCM fuses that we checked in the other fuse box. So that fuse, if it burns, the other one will not get power. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.